Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to download Instagram videos without using any software. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First open your Instagram app and find the post you want to download. Once you have found the video you want, tap on the arrow icon below the post. Then scroll to the right until you find the download option. Tap on it and the download will begin automatically. After the download is complete, simply go to your gallery and you will find the video there. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.